2021 was a massive year for crypto investors. The growth of digital assets continued to blow away everyone who experienced it. With new coins joining the market every other day, it would be your fault if you didn't dip your hands in this money jar. I mean, everyone wanted to be rich, and still wants to be rich, right? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at some predictions. We're going to take a look at some predictions for different coins. We're going to take a look at predictions for DeFi, and we're going to take a look at some government-related predictions. So let's take a dive into this video. Remember guys, none of this is financial advice, and we are definitely not your financial advisor, so please do your own research before you jump to any financial decision conclusions. Number 1, Bitcoin prediction according to ARCANE research. Now, when it comes to crypto, Bitcoin is still the lion in the room. With a market cap of over $1.9 trillion, the first ever digital currency is the market leader by a considerable margin. Despite the threat to the global economic recovery from rising coronavirus cases, both Bitcoin and the benchmark index locked in impressive gains in 2021. Bitcoin jumped 66% and the S&P 500 rose around 27%. Bitcoin also received a hearty boost in 2021 when El Salvador became the first country to roll it out as legal tender in September. Now in 2022, it's pretty likely we'll see at least one, if not more, countries experiment with Bitcoin as a legal form of currency. The reason is simple. Inflation is soaring in most countries worldwide, with governments around the globe printing money and enacting spending plans designed to keep their economies above water during the pandemic. The prices for goods and services are rising. Bitcoin, with its capped coin supply of 21 million, is viewed as a possible hedge against hyperinflation. Furthermore, other nations will be able to see El Salvador as somewhat of a blueprint when rolling out Bitcoin for themselves. When Bitcoin has been touted as a currency of the future, its rollout in El Salvador was plagued by technical glitches and numerous theft attempts. Other countries will be able to learn from El Salvador's mistakes, which could make them more confident in adopting the world's largest digital currency as legal tender. Now, according to ARCANE research, Bitcoin is also expected to hit 100 grand by the end of 2022. Number 2, Solana prediction according to YAHOO Finance. 2021 was an extraordinary year for Solana. It grew over 11,000% and moved from being a relatively unknown altcoin to one of the top cryptos by market cap. It is now listed on most major cryptocurrency exchanges. Experts also believe that Solana will continue to attract new projects. Currently, the platform has more than 1,000 projects, and the number is expected to grow much higher in 2022. Solana may even start taking even more market share away from Ethereum, as its title of the Ethereum killer might start ringing more and more true. Number 3, Metaverse will grow exponentially. Now, you may have heard Metaverse from the company formerly known as Facebook. CEO Mark Zuckerberg hyped the already popular term in October of 2021 when he changed the company's name to Meta and led viewers through its dizzying vision of the future. Now, Zuckerberg believes 2022 will be a massive year for Meta, but he's also not alone in this understanding. The metaverse sector is still in its early days of infancy, and many experts believe that 2022 holds even higher potential for projects in this area. LinkedIn CEO and co-founder Reid Hoffman recently told CNBC that there will be a massive investment and development in the metaverse space over the coming years. According to Hoffman, the metaverse space has been around for a while, stating that the internet is an early version of the metaverse. Number 4, billionaire Mark Cuban's prediction on Ethereum. Watch out, Bitcoin maximalists, because billionaire investor and Shark Tank host Mark Cuban has something to say about Ethereum over Bitcoin. He says that Ethereum is the best cryptocurrency investment. Despite his support for Bitcoin and even coins such as DOGECOIN, Cuban called Ethereum the closest true currency. The billionaire sees this as an opportunity for long-term growth. He says Ethereum blockchain really changed everything in the crypto space, which led him to concluding that Ethereum has the most upside and better things should be expected in 2022. By the way, did you know that Cuban is the owner of the Dallas Mavericks of the NBA and that their fans can buy tickets using Ethereum tokens? Well, now you do. Crypto prediction number 5. DeFi will continue to bring new innovations. Philip Gradwell, chief economist at Chainalysis, says that without the raft of regulations and oversight that other financial products might carry, the innovative uses for DeFi are only limited by the imagination and creativity of the people writing the smart contracts that govern how any specific product functions. In other words, DeFi creativity is limitless. With DeFi, you can basically create anything that you want using other cryptocurrencies and stablecoins to fund new digital assets and products that are financially interesting, without asking permission from any gatekeeper or regulator as of now. If more people buy into this, says Gradwell, you never know. DeFi may as well hit $100 billion market cap by the end of the year. Crypto prediction number 6. Several institutions expect to adopt crypto. Now, we are likely to see further advances in mainstream cryptocurrency adoption. Now, that might not come in the form of adopting crypto as legal tender, but financial institutions will increasingly embrace cryptocurrency because customers are demanding that it be part of their portfolio. Many banks and financial service companies will make working with crypto a way to entice and retain customers. Thus, experts tip a handful of countries across the world. And who knows, there might be another MicroStrategy or Tesla to add Bitcoin to their balance sheet. Number 7. Government backlash is expected to continue. Now, it's quite confusing, but the more the world wants crypto, the more certain governments want to crack down on it. Funny, right? But it's quite necessary in order for people and institutions to feel more comfortable using crypto and for more mass adoption to occur. Technologically, banning crypto is all but impossible, but governments can make it very hard for citizens to trade by denying licenses to exchanges, for example. In the US and Europe, we should expect more scrutiny about the climate impact of cryptocurrency mining in 2022. China, as we all know, has worked so hard to undermine the influence of crypto and will continue doing so in the long run. Number 8, more blockchain ETFs are going to be introduced in 2022. Now, blockchain was one of the top performing market sectors of 2021, and that link to Bitcoin and Ethereum is pretty clear. The sector clearly benefited from the crypto boom that occurred in post-COVID recession environments, because a year ago, blockchain ETFs accounted for just less than $500 million in total assets. Now, today, that number is over $2.3 billion. Now, it's likely to keep climbing as cryptocurrencies gain more widespread acceptance and businesses begin migrating to blockchain as the next wave of technology. Now, some ETFs to consider in 2022 include BLOK, BITQ, BKCH, and NFTZ. Number 9, Elon Musk on Dogecoin in 2022. Now, Elon Musk can't leave crypto alone. In late December 2021, the price of Dogecoin surged as much as 33 cents in a single day after CEO of Tesla said his company would accept it as payment if only for merchandise. Musk has been an open admirer of Doge and predicts its value will surge to the moon come 2022. Crypto prediction number 10, Switzerland's biggest online bank to open crypto exchange. Jan de Schepper, chief sales and marketing officer at Switzerland's largest online bank, Swissquote, told FinNews.Asia that his company plans to open its own crypto exchange before the end of the first half of 2022. Now, crypto trading first became available to private customers in Switzerland 4 years ago, and Switzerland is going to continue to see increasing adoption in crypto. And finally, we have crypto prediction number 11. Invest Answers on YouTube predicts that crypto users will grow 3x and hit 1 billion people by 2022. Now, that's all on our video today. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a like and share the video. As always, guys, if you need any other questions answered about crypto or DeFi, please join our Telegram group in the description below. Stay safe, guys, in the DeFi space, and have an amazing day.